Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, which is Explore Yourselves, Banking and General Knowledge, etc. Your next promotion is not just a step up in your career, it's a step closer to your dreams, your respect, and your financial growth. The Bank Promotion Exams 2026 to 2027 are your golden opportunity, and I'm here to make sure you grab it with both hands. In this journey, we'll learn smart strategies, master important topics, and tackle questions just like the exam demands. Remember, success doesn't come to those who wait, it comes to those who prepare. So let's start today, prepare smartly, and make your promotion in 2026 to 2027 a reality. Welcome to part 10 of my Path to the Corner Office 2026 to 2027 series, where we break down real bank promotion exam questions and give you clear practical sample answers to help you climb the career ladder faster. The subject: Deposit Products, Master Direction on Currency Distribution, Exchange Incentives, and Penal Provisions. For counterfeit notes of denomination rupees 50 detected in SNRs, what penalty structure applies? Option A: 100% of notional value recovered with no additional penalty. Option B: recovery of notional value plus a flat rupees 5,000 penalty. Option C: a penalty at 50% of notional value in addition to recovery of the notional value. Option D: 200% of notional value regardless of CPM. The answer is option C, a penalty at 50% of notional value in addition to recovery of the notional value. For counterfeit notes of rupees 5, rupees 10, and rupees 20 denomination detected in SNRs, what is the applicable treatment? Option A: recovery of loss to the extent of notional value only with no additional penalty. Option B: a flat penalty of rupees 10,000 regardless of quantity. Option C: a graded penalty based on CPM. Option D: 50% penalty on notional value in addition to recovery. The answer is option A, recovery of loss to the extent of notional value only with no additional penalty. For counterfeit notes of rupees 100 denomination and above detected in SNRs, a graded penalty is linked to which metric? Option A, total remittance value processed. Option B, counterfeit notes per million pieces of soiled notes processed in a single remittance. Option C, number of packets in the remittance. Option D, average denomination value of the remittance. The answer is option B, counterfeit notes per million pieces of soiled notes processed in a single remittance. If the CPM value for counterfeit notes of rupees 100 and above works out to be less than 5 per, what penalty over and above recovery of notional value applies? Option A, 50% of the notional value. Option B, 100% of the notional value. Option C, 150% of the notional value. Option D, 200% of the notional value. The answer is option B, 100% of the notional value. If the CPM value falls between 5 inclusive and 20 exclusive, what penalty percentage of notional value applies? Option A, 100%, option B, 150%, option C, 175%, option D, 200%. The answer is option B, 150%. If the CPM value is 20 or more, what penalty percent of notional value applies? Option A, 150%, option B, 175%, option C, 200%, option D, 250%. The answer is option C, 200%. For counterfeit notes of rupees 100 and above detected in CC balance during inspection and audit by RBI as opposed to in SNRs, what penalty structure applies? Option A, a graded penalty linked to CPM as same as SNRs. Option B, a flat penalty of 200% of notional value in addition to recovery with no CPM grading. Option C, no penalty, only recovery of notional value. Option D, a flat penalty of rupees 10,000 per instance. The answer is option B, a flat penalty of 200% of notional value in addition to recovery with no CPM grading. For mutilated notes, including deliberately cut and built up notes detected in SNRs and CC balances, what penalty per piece applies irrespective of denomination? Option A rupees 20 per piece, option B rupees 50 per piece, option C rupees 100 per piece, option D equal to the face value of the note. The answer is option B rupees 50 per piece. Non-compliance with operational guidelines by CC, such as non-functioning CCTV or non-utilization of note sorting machines detected by RBI officials, attracts what base penalty per instance? Option A rupees 2000, option B rupees 5000, option C rupees 10,000, option D rupees 50,000. The answer is option B rupees 5000. If an irregularity in CC operational guidelines recurs in consecutive inspection cycles or earlier, to what amount is the penalty enhanced? Option A rupees 7,500, option B rupees 10,000, option C rupees 15,000, option D rupees 20,000. The answer is option B rupees 10,000. Surprise verification of CC balances by officials unconnected with CC operations must be connected at what interval? Option A monthly, option B bi-monthly, option C quarterly, option D half yearly. The answer is option B bi-monthly. Surprise verification of CC balances by officials from the controlling offices must be conducted at what interval? Option A bi-monthly, option B quarterly, option C 6 monthly, option D annually. The answer is option C 6 monthly. Violation of any term of the agreement with RBI, that is, denial of facilities to linked branches or detection of mutilated and counterfeit notes in reissuable packets, attracts what penalty for any single violation? Option A rupees 5,000, option B rupees 10,000, option C rupees 50,000, option D rupees 1 lakh. The answer is option B rupees 10,000. If there are more than 5 instances of violation of terms of agreement by a CC in consecutive inspection cycles or earlier, what is the enhanced penalty and consequence? Option A rupees 2 lakh no disclosure, option B rupees 5 lakh to the levy placed in public domain, option C rupees 10 lakh disclosed only internally, option D rupees 1 lakh with mandatory branch closure. The answer is option B rupees 5 lakh with the levy placed in public domain. What is the minimum amount for deposit into or withdrawal from a currency chest in what and in what multiples thereafter? Option A rupees 25,000 in multiples of rupees 5,000. Option B rupees 50,000 in multiples of rupees 10,000. Option D rupees 1 lakh in multiples of rupees 25,000. Option D rupees 75,000 in multiples of rupees 15,000. The answer is option B rupees 50,000 in multiples of rupees 10,000. By what time on the same day must currency chests report all transactions through the CYM FCC portal? Option A 5 p.m., option B 6 p.m., option C 7 p.m., option D 8 p.m. The answer is option C 7 p.m. If the CYMCC portal is not available on a day the CT operates, that is a global holiday or second or fourth Saturday or Sunday, what must the CC do? Option A skip reporting entirely until the portal is available. Option B report denomination wise consolidated report deposit or withdrawal and closing balance by 7 p.m. via email to the concerned issue office, then report in CYM on the next working day. Option C report telephonically to the regional director only. Option D file a written report within 15 days. The answer is option B report denomination wise consolidated deposit or withdrawal and closing balance by 7 p.m. via email to the concerned issue office, then report in CYM on the next working day. Under the business continuity plan facility of the CYM CC portal, if a CC cannot access the portal due to connectivity issues, who can map the user ID of another CC to enable transaction reporting. Option A, the regional director of RBI. Option B, the back office BO administrator of the bank. Option C, the chief general manager of the bank. Option D, the issue office to RBI directly. The answer is option B, the back office BO administrator of the bank. Penal interest for delayed or wrong reporting of CC transactions is levied at what rate? Option A, 1% of the prevailing bank rate. Option B, 2% of the prevailing bank rate. Option C, 3% of the prevailing repo rate. Option D, 2% of the prevailing MCLR. The answer is 2%. Option B, 2% over the prevailing bank rate. On what basis is penal interest for delayed or wrong reporting of CC transactions calculated? Option A, T plus 1 basis. Option B, T plus 3 basis. Option C, T plus 0 basis, T being the date of transaction. Option D, calendar month basis. The answer is option C, T plus 0 basis, T being the date of transaction. Cash kept outside the vault, outside CCTV coverage, in sealed covers in trunks, under single lock or bearing a third lock in addition to the locks of joint custodians, is treated for chest balance purposes as option A, eligible for inclusion since it is bank property. Option B, not eligible for inclusion in chest balances, treated as wrong reporting attracting penal interest. Option C, eligible only if certified by a chartered accountant. Option D, automatically written off as loss. The answer is option B, not eligible for inclusion in chest balances, treated as wrong reporting attracting penal interest. The penal interest for inclusion of ineligible amounts in CC balances is levied from what point until what point? Option A, from the date of detection till the date of penalty payment. Option B, from the date of inclusion of ineligible amounts till their exclusion from chest balances. Option C, from the start of the financial year till year end. Option D, from the date of the last inspection till the next inspection. The answer is option B, from the date of inclusion of ineligible amounts till their exclusion from chest balances. So, which of the following cases is penal interest not applicable even though they involve CC balance or remittance irregularities? Option A, delayed reporting of net deposit transactions. Option B, wrong reporting of ineligible cash inclusion. Option C, shortages in chest balances or remittances due to pilferage or frauds and counterfeit notes detected in balances or remittances. Option D, all of the above are exempted equally. The answer is option C, shortages in chest balances or remittances due to pilferage of frauds and counterfeit notes detected in balances and remittances. How should soil note remittances (SNRs) sent to RBI be reported by CCs? Option A, as a withdrawal transaction. Option B, as a deposit transaction. Option C, they shall not be shown as withdrawal. Penalty applies if reported wrongly. Option D, as a diversion transaction. The answer is option C. They shall not be shown as withdrawal. Penalty applies if reported wrongly. What is the flat penalty for wrongly reporting SNRs to RBI as withdrawal, or wrongly reporting diversions as deposit or withdrawal, or delayed reporting where CCs had net deposits? Option A, rupees 10,000 irrespective of amount. Option B, rupees 25,000 irrespective of amount. Option C, rupees 50,000 irrespective of amount involved. Option D, a percentage of the transaction amount. The answer is option C, rupees 50,000 irrespective of the amount involved. All CC diversions between CCs of the same bank or different banks must be reported through which module of the CYM CC portal? Option A, transaction module. Option B, diversion module. Option C, remittance module. Option D, balance reconciliation module. The answer is option B, diversion module. In the diversion module process, who is responsible for initiating the entry and who acknowledges it? Option A, the receiving CC initiates, the sending CC acknowledges. Option B, the sending CC initiates the entry, the receiving CC acknowledges the same. Option C, both CCs must initiate simultaneously. Option D, the regional office initiates on behalf of both CCs. The answer is option B. The sending CC initiates the entry, the receiving CC acknowledges the same. For delayed reporting of instances where CC had reported a net deposit, what is charged? Option A, a penal interest at 2% of over bank rate. Option B, no penal interest but a flat penalty of rupees 50,000 for discipline. Option C, both penal interest and flat penalty simultaneously. Option D, no penalty or penal interest at all. The answer is option B, no penal interest but a flat penalty of rupees 50,000 for discipline. Who is the competent authority to decide on the nature of irregularity and levy penal interest or penalty? Option A, the Chief General Manager at RBI Central Office. Option B, the officer in charge of the department of the regional office having jurisdiction over the defaulting CC branch or ATM. Option C, the governor of RBI. Option D, the controlling officer of the concerned bank. The answer is option B, the officer in charge of the issue department of the regional office having jurisdiction over the defaulting CC or branch or ATM. An appeal against the decision of the competent authority must be made within time period from the date of debit or imposition of a penalty. Option A 15 days, option B 1 month, option C 3 months, option D 6 months. Option B is the answer 1 month. Which of the following is explicitly stated as not a valid ground for waiver of penalty or penal interest? Option A, natural calamities affecting hilly or remote CCs. Option B, staff being new or untrained or lack of awareness. Option C, genuine lockdown imposed by state authorities. Option D, strike situations affecting reporting. The answer is option B, staff being new or untrained or lack of awareness. Requests for waiver of penal interest on grounds that delayed or wrong reporting that did not cause utilization of the RBI funds or shortfall in CRR or SLR maintenance are treated as option A, valid grounds warranting automatic waiver. Option B, valid only if supported by a CA certificate. Option C, not valid grounds for waiver of penal interest. Option D, valid grounds only for cooperative banks. The answer is option C, not valid grounds for waiver of penal interest. Non-CC holding banks without CYMCC portal credentials must apply for a penalty or penal interest waiver through which mode? Option A, postal application to RBI Central Office. Option B, email to the concerned regional office. Option C, telephonic request followed by written confirmation. Option D, application through their currency chests controlling office only. The answer is option B, email to the concerned regional office. In case of wrong reporting as distinguished from delayed reporting, what is the position on waiver representations? Option A, waiver representations are considered case by case. Option B, representation for waiver shall not be considered. Option C, waiver is automatic if corrected within 24 hours. Option D, waiver is granted if it is a first time occurrence. The answer is option B, representation for waiver shall not be considered. For penalties relating to non-replenishment of ATMs, appeals are considered only for genuine reasons beyond the bank's or WALO's control, such as option A, staff being on approved leave, option B, imposition of lockdown by state or administrative authorities or strike, option A, high customer football during festive season, footfall during the festive season, option D, technical upgradation of ATM software. The answer is option B, imposition of lockdown by state or administrative authorities or strike. If a bank claims capital expenditure of rupees 75 lakh inclusive of taxes for setting up a CC in an eligible northeastern hilly area, which how much would be reimbursed given the prescribed ceiling? Option A, rupees 75 lakh full amount. Option B, rupees 35.7 lakh 50% of claim. Option C, rupees 50 lakh capped at ceiling. Option D, rupees 60 lakh 80% of claim. The answer is option C, rupees 50 lakh capped at ceiling. In an illustration where net standard bags after considering deposits and withdrawals. Total 3.4. How many bags are considered for incentive purposes? Option A 3.4 bags, fractional bags are proportionally paid. Option B 4 bags, rounded up. Option C 3 bags, only full bags considered. Option D 0 bags, fractional totals are disregarded entirely. The answer is option C 3 bags, only full bags are considered. Thank you very much for your patience. Please like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.